Illinois requires smoke detectors in all residential rental properties and mandates written disclosure to tenants about the detector's location, operation, and maintenance responsibilities. Welcome to tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com. Here's what Illinois landlords need to know about smoke detector requirements. Under the Illinois Smoke Detector Act, 425 ILCS 60, landlords must install approved smoke detectors in every rental unit. At minimum, one outside each sleeping area and on each level of the dwelling. Detectors must be in proper working order at the start of each tenancy. Illinois law requires landlords to provide tenants with written disclosure at move-in covering the location of each smoke detector, testing instructions, and the tenant's responsibility to notify the landlord if a detector is not functioning. Tenants are responsible for testing detectors regularly and replacing batteries when needed. Landlords are responsible for replacing defective detectors within a reasonable time after receiving notice. Chicago has additional requirements under the municipal code, including specific detector placement standards for multi-unit buildings. Verify Chicago-specific rules if your property is in the city. Our free Illinois smoke detector disclosure form is formatted to the Illinois Smoke Detector Act requirements. For the free form and Illinois landlord resources, visit tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com.